In this SEO scanner, what we are doing is providing a sitemap URL. So our workflow goes through all the URLs in that sitemap. As we see, we have XML to JSON, sanitizing that, updating Google Sheet with all the URLs, and after that, go through each URL, doing HTTP request, and parsing meta descriptions and meta title of the page, add that to the sheet, and after that, passing some checks for those meta tags to see if they are good meta tags or no. Only rule we added to this workflow, which we can extend that and add more rules, is checking if title and description, they are not too short or too long. So when we run this workflow, it goes through all the nodes, updates the final Google Sheet. Right now, I emptied this sheet, doesn't have anything. So it updates that, filling all these columns and sending us an email with the actual report. And as I said, we have two types of triggers. One is click trigger, and other one is on form submission. What I'm going to do is submitting a form. So this is my sitemap URL, I drop the sitemap URL here, email is my email, submitting, and what happens is it's going through all the nodes of our workflow, and when it is done, as you see, it's updating now the Google Sheet. I have the URLs, so it's going through other nodes. Let's wait for that and see the end result. So until this is done, which I can see here, to show you really simple code here we got is we go through each title and description, get their length, and defining if the title pass or no. Depending on, for example, for title, it should be longer than 30 characters, less than 60, and for description, longer than 150 and less than 160. And these are our condition to mention if this title and description pass or no. And as you see right now, we fetched, my site has around 500 URLs. That's why it's taking some time. So it pulled meta title, description, URL, and did some pass and checking for title and description. As you see right now, I have a lot of description, need some work. So my next step, I didn't include that in the workflow in this article, but what we can do is adding after this node an AI integration that automatically converts bad meta title and description to a good one that they are not too short or too long.